Hello, everyone. My name is Erin Lysak, and I am a graduate student at Bowling Green State University studying organization development. I hope you enjoy my presentation on my personal OD method entitled Whole Brain, Whole Team. Organizations with many different departments bear employees with many different mindsets, thought processes, and ways of operating. The different perspectives on work within multi-departmental organizations, particularly those featuring departments that operate very differently, within a hotel, for example, the engineering and housekeeping departments, can create silos among those departments or even interdepartmentally. The common goal of any organization can be lost as each different department focuses on what those employees feel to be most prevalent. This method focuses on aligning the departmental goals of each department within an organization with an all-encompassing common goal for the organization as a whole. The method focuses on improving communication among different departments as well as hearing the voices of all organization members. Whole Brain, Whole Team is a planning method seeking to assist various departments to operate as one team. If the organization members can agree on the desired future state, with a focus on collaboration and communication, the organization will move forward as one, as opposed to segmented departments. In order to ensure all voices within an organization are heard, I have developed a method I call Whole Brain, Whole Team. This method focuses on activities to spur innovation in individuals who are more quote-unquote right-brained or creative, imaginative, and visual thinkers, and those who are more quote-unquote left-brained, who think analytically, logically, and factually. This method is suited to organizations with more than one department that operate in different fashions but must still work towards one underlying common goal. The goal is to involve the entirety of the organization in the process, as to ensure everyone within the organization feels a sense of ownership over the common goal when the intervention is complete. A study by the Asian Economic and Social Society confirmed that all departments need to work together in order for that business to thrive, stating that effective interdepartmental communication is the lifeblood of a successful organization. I'm sure that we have all experienced both poor and positive communications among departments and can vouch for how much more successful you feel individually and as a team when communications flow easily and there is a commonality in purpose. The goal of Whole Brain, Whole Team is for departments to have a better understanding of each other's operations and for the entirety of the organization to have a clear understanding as to what every department does in order to achieve the bottom line. The goal of Whole Brain, Whole Team is for departments to have a better understanding of each other's operations and for the entirety of the organization to have a clear understanding as to what every other department does in order to achieve the bottom line. In addition, the method will create open communication among departments, improving the atmosphere of the organization and encouraging cross-functional teams when relevant. Finally, the process will allow for each member of the organization's community to express their thoughts, fostering a sense of togetherness and unity. Whole Brain, Whole Team is a method based on innovation, creativity, and encouragement. The simple rules guiding the application of this method are collaboration, positive communication, and commonality in purpose. Whole Brain, Whole Team is a planning method that utilizes a variety of different tools to encompass the creative process of individuals, both right-brained and left-brained. The process currently consists of 4 distinct stages. The length of time needed to complete the effort will vary based on organization size, but each stage should be completed quickly enough as to not lose momentum towards the common goal and to maintain a sense of enthusiasm for the process among employees. It would be my current recommendation that Whole Brain, Whole Team be revisited annually to ensure continued efforts towards one common goal and assure opportunity for correction as needed. The first stage of Whole Brain, Whole Team consists of individual meetings of the various departments. During these meetings, questions will be posed to the groups, such as, what do you believe to be the organization's primary purpose? How do you feel your work contributes to that goal? Stage 2 would be similar meetings, but with blended groups composed of employees from different departments. The meetings in stages 1 and 2 would occur without managerial presence, as to encourage honesty and openness in responses. This would also foster a casual atmosphere to allow employees to relax and fully engage. Stage 3 and 4 would be a one-day meeting of the entire organization. Management would be introduced to what their employees perceive to be the goals of the organization, as well as the priorities of each department, and would then lead the conversation around common goal development and the establishment of a communication agreement among the departments, itemizing such things as method of communication and frequency with which communications will occur. Professionally, I have over 10 years of management experience in the hospitality industry. Restaurants and hotels are prime examples of multi-departmental organizations reliant on good communication and commonality in purpose. Research for my method includes the Change Handbook, the Organizational Behavior Reader, and solving problems with design thinking, as well as research into interdepartmental communications. Success with the method of whole brain, whole team would include an organization with free-flowing communication. It would also bear departments that understand their own purpose and importance while working towards the common goal of the organization as a whole. Additionally, the intervention would optimally create relationships among employees from different departments and foster a sense of togetherness and unity among the organization as one team. My next steps include fine-tuning my method model and journey, as I fear my method process is not quite clear. Additionally, I need to work on a graphic representation of my method. I will also continue to research the breakdown of communication silos. Thank you for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed my presentation, and I look forward to your feedback.